Do you want to learn how to reveal tails just like the way I'm doing right now in this video? Well, if you're interested in learning that, come closer.
So first of all, I'm going to open the CapCut app, click on new project, then we import a black background to write the text first of all, you get. So I'm going to extend this to like 9 to 10 seconds, so let me write the text. And extend it to the end, then you export it. After exporting it, you click on new project again, then you import the video you want to use. Once you have imported the video you want to edit, you click on overlay, add overlay, then we are going to add that video of the name as overlay. Click on add, click on spice, click on lighten. Then we're going to position the text where we want it to start showing. As you can see, we want the text to start showing from this particular part of the video. So what we are going to do now, we're going to be using max to preview the text. So click on max, click on horizontal. We're going to move it like this. If you're following, click on keyframe, move it a bit, keep moving it a bit. So we are done with this.
Do you want to learn how to reveal tails just like the way I'm doing right now in this
video? Next step.
Well, if you're interested in learning that, come closer.
Let's trim this first of all. Then you click on the main clip, click on duplicate, click on overlay, move it to the beginning of the clip, and click on it again. Then look for remove BG and click on auto remover. So this is what we got at the end.
Thank you for watching this video. If you really learned something from this video, kindly like, share and subscribe to this channel because it really helps us